Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is a big day. It's a day of first and it's a day all about Barbie, so we love to see it. Today I am trying the new Malibu Barbie Colourpop collection. This is actually my first time ever using Colourpop. I know, where have I been? But I got the whole collection to review for you guys, so let's get into what it is. So it came with this hand mirror, the box, all this packaging. So cute. It's so Barbie. Okay, now my only complaint is this is pretty small, but it's really darn cute. So, I mean, it's a good mirror. It's just, it's small. To be honest, I bought this collection in a bit of a rush, so I didn't really look into what it was other than Barbie. I don't advise you spending money like that. I just really felt the need to do that, but I didn't know it came with the mirror. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have gotten the mirror just because I don't see myself getting too much use out of it, but maybe I can put it on a shelf or something because it is kind of cute. Moving on. Another thing I don't see myself using are these lashes. They're pretty basic. They're just straight. These aren't really my style. I chose to wear these today with the look because they're a little more dramatic, which is kind of what I pictured for Barbie. I was kind of surprised to see these were the lashes, but it's okay. You know, some people probably love these. They're just not for me. I'm also a really big magnetic lash person, and these are normal lashes and I have no skill there, so I will probably be giving these to a friend. Okay, this is the moment, you guys. This eyeshadow palette is so cute. Size is cute. Everything's cute. Look at all the fun colors. They all have really sweet names that go back to Barbie things. And I tried to use as many colors as possible today. I did a little sunset eye. So if you want to see how to do that, keep watching. Really love this. Very cute. Would recommend this. I have a love-hate relationship with this guy. This is the Supershock highlighter in Beach Party. I have used it, so it didn't come like that. It's gigantic. I wouldn't say this is a universal highlight, but we made it work. So if you want to see how I made it work, stay tuned. You get 3 lips. So start with the one I'm wearing right now. They're lip kits, by the way, which I think is fun. So I'm wearing Malibu Sunset. It's this beautiful, rich berry tone. It's so good. And then it comes with the matching lip liner, which is really nice. And it's my first time using anything Colourpop, like I said, and I was really impressed with the lips, so maybe I'll have to buy some more of that. The next shade is Golden Beach. This is definitely more of a brown nude. Really pretty. Definitely, like I said, a brown tone nude, which I love. That's my favorite kind of nude. I just think it's really flattering, especially on my pasty face, so I think I'll be reaching for this color a lot. And the last shade is Dream House. Obviously, we had to use that name. And this is more of a rosy nude color, which I also really like. I will probably be wearing this more often. So I think it had a good range of a bright lip and then neutrals if you weren't sure, which is Barbie. I mean, Barbie has her classic lips and they're usually not too crazy. So this collection's very sweet, very cute. I don't know if it's sold out or not. I will put here if it is or not. I'm really bad at looking that up beforehand. I really liked it. I think everything's probably something you should try, except the mirror. I think the mirror is more of a keepsake kind of deal unless you don't have a mirror and you really want a small mirror. So that's everything in the collection, and I used it all on my face today. So if you guys want to see how to get this little sunset eye with the Malibu Barbie Colourpop collection, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have on my robe. It's not Barbie, but it's Trixie Mattel, so close enough. I am testing out new lights today. I think it looks nice. Also, say goodbye to this hideous backdrop because she's getting a makeover this weekend, so come back next week. My new video, I will debut my new little corner. It's gonna be very cute, much more aesthetically pleasing to the eye to be in the back of all these videos. But let's get into why we're all here. This incredible Barbie collection from Colourpop. This is my first time using any Colourpop product ever. Hold for everyone to be surprised. I'm very late to this game. However, I just kind of feel like Colourpop is always coming out with collection after collection. Every week I feel like there's a new Colourpop collection, which is amazing, but I also just hesitated to buy just because I was am I buying this because the product looks really cool, or am I buying this because the packaging is really cute? And you know what? We all buy things for cute packaging. I have that Besame Sleeping Beauty collection just because it's aesthetically aesthetically beautiful. I think I've used it once, but I definitely bought it to like sit on display. That's totally cool if you want to do that too, but I just have never been like, ooh, I need that when like Colourpop posts something. But Barbie, yeah, I need that. So here we are. I'm gonna start with the eyes today with the palette. Let's get into it. It came with a cute little heart mirror, which I already showed you. It's really small, you guys. Like, it's super small. It looks like it's for Barbie. Like, that's a little dramatic. It's not that small, but it be small. So I am gonna use my usual Kimchi mirror. So sorry I'm fake, but I need to see. But let's get into this eye. Start neutral, I think, with Let's Go Party. Like an orange toned neutral. Zoom in a little so you can see what's going on. I feel a little nuts. Also, I tried to do soap brows today and I have not mastered how to do that with foundation. So there's like a patch of foundation missing because I wiped off my eyebrows because I hated them so much. So these are not soap brows, these are my normal brows. If anyone has any soap brow brand recommendations, please comment down below. I need some help. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush right here and the Let's Go Party shade, and I'm just gonna start to like build up the outer bit of this eye look. Very pigmented. So far so good, Colourpop. Oh, maybe we'll do like a sunset eye. So let's do yellow up here to orange to the hot pink. And if this looks bad, no one say anything. So the yellow shade is called West Coast. She seems pigmented. Let's see. Oh, she sure is. Let's do the hot orange. So far so good. And then the hot pink is called Best Coast. Oh boy, West Coast, Best Coast. I see it now. They're right next to each other. Funny. Then I'll take the shade we used earlier, the Let's Go Party, that like neutral one, to kind of blend on top of all of these. Okay, and then go back over the colors again. We want our colors to stand out. That's what we've got so far. It's a sunset. I'm gonna do Call Girl on the lid, and then I'll do the blues under the eye so it's like the ocean with the sunset. We're telling a story with our makeup today. I'm going to use the glitter primer from NYX. I'm gonna use my finger. Oh, there she is. Oh yeah. Now let's double over with the yellow and then the orange and the red too. Now I'll take the tinier brush that I have, really teeny tiny, and I'm gonna take the blue shade Malibu Memories, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Okay, I'll be right back with lashes on, and then we can continue with the rest of the face. We are back with the lash. This is what I imagine Barbie's lashes would be, like really long and like thin and wispy. The lashes that like came with the collection, just like, they just looked a little too natural to me to be Barbie's lashes, but this is how I see Barbie's lashes. This next thing I have taken a peek at, and I be honest, I don't see this working out, but I don't want to be overly negative. This is the Supershock highlighter in Beach Party. Okay, it's darker than my face, so right off the bat, I'm not really thinking this is going to be a highlight on me. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand because I don't feel secure enough to put it on my face. Oh yeah, oh god. It's like too dark. I think this is going to be like a bronze topper for me. So I'm gonna go into my Kimchi Bronzer, which ironically is called I Went to Malibu, so it matches with the video. And I'm gonna bronze my face pretty severely because we're going for the Malibu Barbie glow. And then I'm gonna top that with this. I think that's the plan. So I'm gonna use a really big fluffy brush and bronze the face. I think I'm gonna use this blush in Vacation from Kimchi. I want to keep it pretty neutral. So I Yeah, we'll see. I'm a little nervous about this. I'm gonna take it on this stippling brush so it's not too wild and crazy. Okay, that looks good. You can't really see it, but it's nice. Gives a glow. Do it on the end of the nose. I'm also gonna add it up here. I'm going to set what's happening right now. I haven't looked at these lips, so I think I'm gonna do the bright color just to, like, you know, be fun. Let's try the lip liner and see how it goes. Really creamy. I suck at filming, like doing my lip liner. I'm sorry. I look like Chic right now. We're lined. Time to try the lipstick. Oh, it's shiny. This is really pretty. I'm going to take my hair out of my little clippies and put on a little outfit, and I will be back with my final thoughts on my first time using Colourpop and on this Malibu Barbie collection. And here is the final look. You guys, I really liked this collection. Overall, I think it's really sweet. The only thing I probably won't use is the lashes, but that's fine. The eyeshadows were really beautiful, really pigmented. The lip feels amazing. And even though the highlighter was a little bit on the dark side, I think we made it work. It makes my cheeks glow really beautifully as like a bronzer topper, so not mad about it. Overall, I think my first experience using Colourpop was pretty successful. Maybe I'll start to look into some of their other products that aren't in like these special collections. If you're a Colourpop fan, comment down below, what do I need to try? Help me out, because I literally have no idea. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I make new videos every week and we have a lot of fun here. I had so much fun today. Barbie is like one of my favorite things in the world ever since I was little, so loved this collection and I loved getting to make this beautiful sunset eye. And with that, that is all I have for today. I will see you guys next week. Bye!